What is investing? How to grow your wealth the smart way. Have you ever wondered how some people grow their money while others struggle financially? Working 9 to 5 forever won't make you rich. But investing can make your money work for you. In this video, I'll break down what investing really is, how it builds wealth, and how you can start investing smartly, even as a beginner. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to grow your wealth. Let's dive in. What is investing? Investing is putting your money to work so it grows over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You plant a small seed today. Over time, with care and patience, it grows into a massive tree. Unlike saving, where money just sits in a bank account, investing makes your money multiply. How does investing work? Imagine you have 10,000 rupees right now. You have two choices: keep it in the bank. 5 years later, it's still 10,000 or even less due to inflation. Invest it in stocks. If it grows 15% per year, in 5 years, it becomes 20,113 rupees. Now, imagine this for 1 lakh, 10 lakh, or even 1 crore. That's the power of investing. Why is investing important? If you're not investing, you are losing money. Here's why. 1. Inflation is stealing your wealth. Prices of goods increase every year. If your money doesn't grow, its value shrinks over time. 2. Passive income. Earn money while you sleep. Imagine earning extra money every month without working. That's what investments do. Stocks, dividends, and real estate all create passive income. 3. Financial freedom. Retire rich. The wealthy don't just earn, they invest. That's how they quit their jobs early, travel the world, enjoy financial security, and you can do it too. Best ways to invest as a beginner. Want to start investing but don't know how? Follow these steps. Step 1. Set your investment goal. Why are you investing? Retirement, buying a house, financial freedom? Setting a clear goal keeps you focused. Step 2. Choose the right investment. Not all investments are the same. Here are some great options. Stocks, buy shares of companies. Mutual funds, let experts manage your money for steady growth. Real estate, invest in property and earn rental income. Gold and crypto, alternative assets for diversification. Start with stocks and mutual funds, they're beginner friendly. Step 3. Start small, but start now. Most people wait for the perfect time to invest. But the earlier you start, the richer you become. Even 500 rupees per month invested today can turn into lakhs in the future. Common investing mistakes to avoid. Many beginners lose money because they make these mistakes. Avoid them at all costs. 1. Investing without research. Don't buy stocks just because someone said so. Always research the company's financials before investing. 2. Panic selling. Markets go up and down. If you sell in fear, you lose. The key to wealth is holding strong for the long term. 3. Putting all money in one stock. If that company fails, you lose everything. Always diversify your investments. The secret to getting rich through investing. Want to know what separates rich investors from the rest? They think long term. They don't try to get rich overnight. They stay invested, even during market crashes. They use compounding, where money multiplies automatically. Even Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Final thoughts, how to get started today. Investing is not rocket science. It's the smartest way to grow wealth. Follow this simple plan. Learn the basics, start small, invest consistently, stay patient, let your money grow. Your future self will thank you. Did this video help you? Like, share, and subscribe for more investing tips. Comment below. I'm starting my investing journey today.